Hello guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Guys, we are here at the Broast restaurant. Nagbili si Asgar ng nagbili si Asgar Ali ng broast chicken. 3 orders. Yung isa is for one Filipino na kasama namin. And also, he's treating us guys as a party. I don't know because Ramadan is coming. So, he gave us a party this noon time today, our lunch time. So from now on we don't have already time here because maybe 5 minutes to go before prayer. So inano lang namin po, kami nag parcel or nag take out. So yan po, ito po ang pinadala namin guys na Panggali restaurant. Si Asgar, ayun ko anong mga binili ni Asgar. What this one Asgar? Namili pala siya guys ng ito, perfume. Blue, marine blue. Ang mahal-mahal, 48 real. Marine blue, ba't ang mahal sabi ko? Ang mahal-mahal ng niya. Hindi ko alam. Siya ang nagbili.
Bayak sayo.
Instant niya lang. Yan na. Green peas? Okay, namili pala siya ng green peas para iulam nila. Green peas. City flower? Why do you know go city flower? Not go with you. Namili siya ng green peas guys. And also, ito green peas. Lutuin niya, ihalo niya sa maybe tomato and curry. Then kasi sila ang pagkain nila is green peas, tapos hinahaluan nila ng curry. So ito si Asgar, he is our friend. That's why he treat us today. But it's sad to say guys, we cannot eat here inside because Salah time is coming. So no possible we eat our lunch here or the broast we ordered, we cannot eat here inside because after Salah again they open. So now they don't have time, so we need to parcel it or take out. That's why. But this one, Asgar, why you buy this one? Why? Less and share. Sabi niya guys, gift daw niya sa akin. But too much money. Too much pulos Asgar. Namili siya guys, regalo daw niya sa akin. Isang marine blue perfume. Made in I think France. When? Ano kaya? Wala siyang pangalan guys. Maybe France this. Guys, before while we are waiting for our order, I'm just only show to you this restaurant. Before I already gone in here. Okay? Yan guys, so ikot ko lang ang camera no. By the way guys, may pala sila, may temperature dito. Yan o. Yan ko muna, ilan ba ang temperature ko? Yeah. Yan, 36.4. Normal guys, no? Yan. Normal lang tayo, 36.4. So, ganyan. Thanks God, okay ang lahat. Habang maghihintay tayo doon sa iba, sa order namin. Yan po. Ito lang guys ang kanilang ito ang kanilang broast restaurant. Dubai din? Ano pala to guys? Made in the United Arab Emirates. Dubai. From UAE. Sabi niya, regalo doon niya sa akin. Pero napakamahal naman kasi. Bakit napakamahal ang binili ni Asgar? Too much money. This one Asgar, very expensive. Too much for this. Why you buy this one? 48 real. 48 real he buy this one perfume. My perfume only 30 real. This what's name this one? I forget the name of my perfume, but also very very fragrance. This one design very fragrance. This? Tani? Anna, I forget the name of my perfume. Orange color, orange level. I forget the name. But very fragrance also. So, yan si Asgar Ali. Bolo.
Hi.
Sabi niya, guys, hi, bye. Why like this? Sabi ko, okay, speak. You can speak what you like. Speak. By the way, guys, time check here is come time? 12:15? 12:15 na, guys. Come time sala? 12:45? 12:45? No, we can eat in here. Why we not sala time change ahead? Come time. Guys, nag-change na kasi ang sala 12:30 na kasi maybe 2 days more to go before Ramadan. So, ang sala time nila is, ang prayer time nila is nag-change. So, that's why we cannot eat here inside. We are not allowed to eat here inside because their time of prayer is changed. So, yan lang po. Yan po, guys, ang aming hinihintay na order. Wala pa, hindi pa dumating. By the way, guys, nagpagupit pala ako, no? Pangit naman tong gupit ko, guys, no? Nagpagupit ako. Nagpagupit ako doon sa Bengali. Yan, sa Bengali yan. Ang tagal, guys, no? 15 minutes. Come minutes had order? 5 minutes? Mampi cook kada. Sabi ko, guys, ilang minuto ang pagluto nila ng roast chicken or what do you call this one? French chicken chicken roast. Sabi niya 5 minutes lang daw, hindi yun, hilaw yun sa loob, no? Pag madali lang, dapat mga yan, minimum 15 minutes. Yun sila. Asgar, list anta mapi ka lang. Oy, thank you so much Asgar Ali, guys. He's donated, he's giving us party today. Thank you so much Asgar Ali. I will show you after our order of roast chicken, guys. Asgar Ali ordered 3 pieces because we are 3. One Filipino is going to the market. After we take our order, our takeout order, so I will show you guys our order roasted chicken. So I'm still waiting here. We are still waiting for our order. And si Asgar Ali. Thank you so much Asgar Ali. Thank you for your party or for giving us a treat this morning. Thank you. God bless you more and good health always. Hope you have many more blessings to come also in your family to Asgar Ali. Bolo Asgar, bolo. Hi only. Sabi niya guys, hi, bye daw. Yan lang talaga ang masasabi niya, no? No other speaking, only hi, bye.
ओके फिर क्या ना चाहे फोन करो कोई मुश्किल नहीं
Okay, malapit na guys, no? Malapit na ang matapos ang luto nila, ang aming order. Malapit na po. Malapit-lapit na silang mag-close. Ada close. May soya. Ito guys, ang mga orders nila. Yan po. Yan, marami pa ng mga menu. And also may juice rin sila guys kung gusto niyo mag-order ng juice. Sadiq, how much juice? Ada juice, come Ada.
Avocado.
Yes, how much?
Avocado is 6 real, 8 real.
6 real. Asgar, you like juice? Juice. You order already? Anta ka lang? Order? No, mampi. Anak ka lang, bas. Kalas order, kalas. Mampi order. Next time. Next time. Next time. Okay, bye. Bye-bye guys, no? See you later for our orders. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, Asgar Ali. Thank you. God bless you. Bye. Guys, karon kakain na kami guys. Ito na pong order namin. 3 orders of roast chicken. And also, may ano sila guys, no? May kabus. Yan no, order namin. Yan po, ang mga roast chicken nila. Si Asgar po ang nagtaya ngayon. Ang dami na niyang gastos. Pati si Bastrio, gutom na si Bastrio. Yan guys. Yan no. Sarap guys, spicy pa. Asgar Akil. Si Asgar Ali, ayaw kumain. Ayaw kumain ni Asgar Ali pag hindi ako katabi, iwan ko. Bakit kaya? Joke lang yun guys, no? Para lang masaya tayo. Anak ka lang, anta no Akil, ana mapisawa sa English, anta mapi Akil. Ano ka lang?
Wala.
Guys, yan si Basleo.
Madaling kaki, madaling dito.
Yan po. Sobrang init, no? Ang broasted nila is napakalaki po. Worth, ano lang siya? Worth 16 real, I think. Asgar, open hala. Open. Now I'm holding my cell phone. I cannot open. Thank you. Ngayon guys, unahin namin ang ito. Yan ang kinakain ni Asgar, ketchup. No other thing.
Ano?
Si Leo, ipakita ko muna si Leo guys. Yan ang isa naming kasama, Filipino. Tatlo lang kami. Tapos always Pepsi and also kabos. Ito. Kabos. Matagal na kasi ito siya nag-i-invite guys na kakain sa labas, si Asgar, na we eat outside roast. I always refuse. I speak, I'm busy. Now this is the moment. This is the moment. This is the moment. Natuloy na talaga ang pagkain niya sa amin.
Ano?
Kain muna ako guys, no? Ayan. Pasilip ko ulit, kain muna ako mga kalalabs. Kasi mamaya is malamig na po. O, yan, may mga Filipinos sa labas guys, no? 4 Filipinos. Ayan. Mga kababayan natin. Mamaya ulit guys, no? Mamaya ulit guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy eating our lunch. Shout out, kain muna tayo kasi malamig na talaga guys ang kakainin. Mas masarap kumain pag mainit, no? Kasi masarap ang panglasa and also madali kang mabusog pag init ang iyong kinakain. So next time, bye bye. See you. Si Asgar Ali, this is the moment. Bye bye guys. Hello guys, welcome again. Malapit na kami matapos sa aming kinakain guys. And one order is 3 pieces of roasted chicken. And also sa mga kasama ko is the same. And also kay Batch Leo. We are only eating this kapos mga kapos ito. Ito po ang kapos. No rice, no? Only kapos and also French fry. Okay.
Sa lahat ng hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell below mga kalalabs. Okay, say you so that you are always ma-notify kayo guys every time na I have a new video and also live streaming. Okay, don't forget to hit the notification bell below. Thank you so much guys for the support and also for your for watching my video this soon. Okay, this way.
Okay.
Yan, kinakain ni Bats Leo ang roast chicken na napakalaki guys, you see. Kung sa atin is hindi ka makabili ng ano na napakamahal sa atin ng chicken also.
Kain guys.
Sa kaya nga sa kanya is hindi siya kumakain ng rice. Dito guys mostly is hindi sila kumakain ng rice. Tayo lang naman mga Filipino ang kumakain ng rice mga kalalabs. Okay? So sila is hindi kabus-kabus lang ano so. Okay. Kain mo na si host guys, no? Thank you so much for watching my video. Okay? See you. I will upload this later. Okay? Thank you so much. Si Asgar Ali, isang Pakistani national. Thank you so much Asgar Ali for this treat or for this party. We never forget you even though you are in Pakistan and also we going home in the Philippines. We never forget for your good you are a good person and a friend. Thank you so much Asgar Ali for the treat.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye guys. See you next time. See you for my next video. Thank you so much.